All right, check it out. DuraTech 8 ratcheting stubby wrench set, which is what every dude needs, right? So yeah, let's check it out, man. Looks good. So what's cool about these is they come in these really cool cases. Let me show you. DuraTech and band. This is awesome. Hang on. Let me show you. That's what it comes in. And then it's got, look, it's got the 10 millimeters, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. Let's take a look at them. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love for the first time. All right, so anyway, look at these. I'll pull the big one out. Look at that. Is that sweet? Let me get the small one because I get my finger in it. Let me get a smaller one. I'm going to get this one here. I'm going to show you how it works. So you got this side, right? But check this out. You got this side too. You know what I mean? Look. So this is kind of like, you see that? I want to go opposite way. I just flip it around. See that? Get it right on there. Flip it around. Tighten or loosen. So here I am loosening. I'm going counterclockwise to me, right? And then if I go the opposite way, I want to tighten. You hear the clicking going up. That brings it back up without moving it, and then it turns it. So yeah, this is freaking awesome. Oh my God, I love it. Look, highly recommend getting these, man. And what's cool about them is they come with this case, and you can just roll it up and stick it in your tool bag, man. I'm going to roll it this way so I can see the name. Oh no, I'm going to go this way. That's right. I'm going the right way. Hang on, let me just get it. And now I just can't wait to go work on something with my stubbies. You know what I'm saying, jelly beans? DuraTech. Excellent tools. Peace out.